So you're looking for the perfect beard oil, and you probably know that it's an essential oil. I'll tell you up front, this is not a commercial. I'm not getting paid. Nobody gave me product, and I don't get a kickback commission on this. This is just straight awesome information. The company is called NuYu. This is an essential oil product. You are not going to find it on Amazon. I will put a link to the website in the description below. And if you know anything about essential oils and natural carrier oils, this is amazing. There's a lot of amazing stuff going on. I got 3 10-milliliter bottles last Christmas. And the one that I love the most, the fragrance out of these 3, is called Aussie Gold. It is essential oils and carrier oils that are just amazing. The one that I use the most is a little bit over halfway finished. And then the others, I've got maybe 2/3 in the others. And I use this regularly. So what makes this such a special product? Check this out. The carrier oils, if you don't know anything about essential oils, you usually have to have a carrier oil if it's a strong, potent oil. So the carrier oils are natural as well. Argan oil, excellent for your hair. Avocado oil, excellent for your hair and skin. Castor oil has amazing health benefits, antimicrobial benefits. D-alpha tocopherol, which is natural vitamin E oil. If you don't know, that's excellent for your skin and your hair again. They all have different absorption rates and properties, and it's a blend of all of this stuff. Jojoba oil, rosehip oil, sunflower oil, and sweet almond oil. So these are top grade oils. They are not using cheap stuff. They also have beard wax or beard balm. If you have a crazy unruly beard and you want it to look, shape it and form it, or if the oil doesn't work. Now the fragrances, they have an unscented one. If you're sensitive to fragrances, essential oils, I don't ever seem to be sensitive to essential oils. If it's a natural, real fragrance, I don't seem to have a reaction. But let's go ahead and check out some of this stuff. And I'll tell you, the ones that I have, Aussie Gold has a very rich, almost musk, not really musky, but I'll go ahead and tell you the ingredients in the notes that you're going to pick up. And these are from essential oils. Aussie Gold, my favorite, has in it Australian sandalwood with grapefruit, lemon, lavender, fir needle, patchouli, hazelnut, vanilla bean. All essential oils. Beautiful. This stuff smells so good. The fragrance doesn't last as long as the others. Some fragrances die down. This is one of them. I smell it strong when I put it on. And how I put it on, it comes in a dropper bottle like this. And I will literally just do a couple drops on my fingernail and rub it in. And then a couple drops on my other and rub it in, groom it in. And I'll use like a comb. And it does an excellent job. It absorbs quickly. It doesn't feel greasy. It's not oily. I don't mind having it on my skin either because it's great for your skin. But there's no grease, or it absorbs nice. So you don't have this greasy looking beard. Okay, so the other 2 are very, they're stronger in the fragrance department, which is probably why I don't wear them as often. Americana, which is this one here, is white charcoal, cedarwood, bergamot, orange zest, fresh mint, geranium, balsam, vanilla bean, patchouli, nutmeg. So it's quite a blend. Best way I could describe it is cotton candy. It smells like a sweet candy, and I know the ladies like it. It really makes your beard soft, and it smells fantastic. The next one, Vanilla Spice, a little bit simpler on the fragrance profile, but it is very, very strong. Spiced vanilla. It has vanilla infused with bergamot, black pepper, bay rum. That's it, and it smells exactly how they describe it. It's an excellent, excellent fragrance. But they have a sampler pack. You pay $50, and they have a free shipping for all orders over $50. It gives you all 8 fragrances, including the Au Naturel, which is no fragrance at all. And it gives you their beard balm and a comb. It's a great deal. So check that out. But that is my review for the best essential oil. You're not going to get a better product than this. The price is amazing. $10 for one of these. Or if you buy the sampler set, it's $8 plus the balm. I mean, you're paying less than 10 bucks. You're paying almost $5 really, because you're getting the balm. That's 9 products. And then you're getting the comb. So that's close to $5 per thing. Excellent deal. But if you want, they have a 30 milliliter bottle, and that is, I believe, $20. So you're tripling your product at doubling the price. Excellent company. They're based in the United States. Link in the description. If this video was good for you, I hope it was. Please give that a like and let me know if I missed anything, or if you have any questions about this product, or if you have another product you like to use. Let me know in the comment section. But again, I can't speak highly enough of this company and the product. They have some other things like tattoo butter. I don't know anything about tattoos, but mustache wax, head butter, all that stuff. Check it out. NuYu, and have a great day. And if you're buying this as a gift, they are going to love it. Have a good one.